Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Carly. You should know that I like to cram as many life events into one moment as possible. Last year we were like, hey, you want to move across the country and have our wedding? Sounds good. This year we're like, ooh, you feel like building a house and having a baby all at the same time? Good idea. I don't even want to know what next year is gonna look like. Moral of the story is, I never filmed a morning routine even in this apartment, let alone since I got married and since I got pregnant. So I figured I probably should do it before we move out of here. I'm currently 25 weeks pregnant right now. I am getting close to the end of my second trimester, beginning of my third trimester, which is really, really exciting. I thought I would film this video now for you guys before we move out of this place. And obviously, once we move and get settled into the new house, I will film another morning routine in there so you guys can see it. It'll probably be a lot bigger by that video too, so we can compare how active I am. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really lets me know what kind of videos you guys want me to make. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post new videos on Thursday. Also, if you like these kind of family updates and pregnancy updates, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I post weekly baby updates over there. So let's get into my pregnant and married morning routine in my city apartment. So this morning started a little bit differently than a lot of our mornings because Cody's actually on vacation for the next couple of weeks. He has a break in between work and school. So we get to have a much more relaxed morning. Normally his alarm will go off and we can just lay there and talk with each other. And then he usually gets up first and he'll go shower, and I stay in bed and kind of go back to sleep while he showers. And then after he's done showering, he'll come into his closet to get dressed, and I will wake up then and head out of bed. Then I usually make the bed. You guys will see after I make the bed my massive pregnancy pillow that I put on top of the bed. Yeah, really cool. Afterwards, I'll head out to the bathroom, which I make a ton of stops to the bathroom during the night because I'm pregnant. And then one of us will usually put up the couch because we usually have this pulled out at night so we can watch movies on it. So whoever gets to it first puts that away. Then I'll fill up my water bottle because I always have a water bottle on me to remind myself to drink as much water as possible. And then I will pour a cup of iced coffee. So I'm just grabbing some ice and my almond milk and getting my coffee ready. Before I get a ton of questions about this in the comments, I have talked to my doctor about caffeine. In my first trimester, I was not drinking coffee or any caffeine at all. And then now I've gone to having 1 cup of iced coffee in the morning. They say that you can have up to 200 milligrams of caffeine a day and it's completely pregnancy safe, and I'm having way less than that. So breakfast is different for me every day. Lately, I've really been loving apples with almond butter and granola on top. My sister showed me that little snack and I love it. Cody will pray for us and then we'll have breakfast together. And normally when it's like the school week or work week, we'll go over each other's day, what it looks like when the other person's coming home. And this is really when we talk about what the day looks like for both of us. And we just like to have breakfast together, kind of enjoy these couple of minutes. And then we will clean up the kitchen, put our dishes away. I will wipe down the countertops and everything so it's clean. And then I will take my prenatal vitamin. So after breakfast, we like to read our devotionals, and we're both going through the same devotional right now. And then I'm also going through another devotional, which is called Waiting in Wonder. And I really like this because it's a pregnancy-focused devotional with prayer points, and it also goes through week by week the development of your baby. And then also in the mornings and especially at night, Cody will talk to baby girl, and it's so cute because she already responds to his voice and knows him, and she is so active when he's talking to her. It's seriously the cutest thing in the world. So then after that, when Cody is getting ready, I like to make a protein shake, and I've been doing this recently throughout my pregnancy. I like the Vega protein shakes because they are plant-based and they just have a lot of extra protein and vitamins. So it's really good to make sure I'm getting it in during pregnancy. So I do this every day, and I'll mix it up with a banana, some ice cubes, and some flaxseed, and I'll just drink this while I get ready. I've been doing really minimal, no makeup looks recently, especially in the summer. It takes me seriously 5 minutes. I just throw on a little bit of foundation, some eyebrows, some bronzer, and some highlight, and I'm good to go. Drinking my protein shake while I'm getting ready, and normally I would do my hair at this point too, or throw it up in a ponytail, but I did my hair last night and it held up pretty well. So I'm just brushing through that, and then I'm getting dressed. I've been living in tank dresses this pregnancy, especially this last month, because I really like they show off the bump and I don't just look like I don't fit in my clothes. You can actually tell that I'm pregnant in these dresses. Alright guys, that was my pregnant and married morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos on Thursday. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram as well if you guys like to see these pregnancy and family updates, because I post updates about us building our home and the baby and pregnancy and everything over on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye!